Hi you guys, this is one of 5 parts in a series on how to change a flat tire on your 2005 Yukon Denali XL, also for 2000 through 2006. This is so you can quickly get to the part that you need to refresh yourself about. If you need a refresher on changing your spare tire and what it takes, just click on the upper right hand corner and it will take you to this specific video. The first one is to find the location of the jack kit. The second video is where is your spare tire and how do you remove it. The third video is about how to jack your SUV up. The fourth video is how do you remove your tire and replace it with your spare tire. And the fifth video is what does the jack instructions say on my spare tire toolkit. So with that, I've had a total of 3 people in the last 2 years ask me where the spare tire jack kit is at. They had the same kind of vehicle as mine. I know what you're thinking. You have AAA or you have OnStar. But what if you're somewhere where you can't get reception to make that phone call? So here's a video showing you the 2 locations on a 2005 Yukon Denali XL. Also for 2000 through 2006, I believe. Suburbans, Tahoes, pretty much any GMC or Chevy full-size SUV. If you don't know where your spare tire kit is, you may want to watch this video because if you're ever caught on the road or on the freeway with a flat or a blowout, you're going to wish you did. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the hatch. And on the driver's side, we're going to look for an access panel. Now there's the Yukon and the Yukon XL, a short wheelbase and a long wheelbase. The short wheelbase, you'll probably see a panel here on the driver's side, right about here. You'll pop off the panel and you'll see your spare tire tool kit. Now I have a Yukon XL, the long wheelbase, so you'll find the spare tire tool kit here. You're going to look for this insignia. Once you find that, you're going to remove the plastic molded tray. Just lift the tray up and it'll pop right out. You'll see your toolkit right in there. Now what you're going to find is a plastic package. The plastic package that has your 4-piece jack handle, a knob, a hook, your jack, 2 metal chocks to block your tires, as you can see in this picture. It's added insurance in case your car accidentally rolls. Before I pull this out, you can see here where you screw that knob in. Your 2 tire chocks, the hook, and your knob get screwed down here and it holds this plastic bag down. Unfortunately, I don't have these pieces except for 1 tire chock, but you'll see when you open it. It's pretty simple. You just unscrew the knob and everything just comes out. Okay, let's take out the jack handle extension kit out. When you pull it out, you'll see outside the bag, it has jacking instructions. It has instructions on both sides of the paper. You may at your spare time want to take a look at this. There's a lot of important information in there. But if you don't want to pull out your jack, watch my next video and I'll have just the jacking instructions. Okay, let's go back into your spare tire toolkit compartment and let's pull out the jack. Now this can be a little tricky if you don't know what you're doing. You may get frustrated, but it's really easy. Before we take everything out there, I just want to mention that watch how you remove the tools because you're going to have to put them back exactly the way they came back. Otherwise you're going to have rattling as you're driving around if you don't tie down all these pieces of equipment. So with that, if you notice your jack is securely in place, how you remove it is you turn that yellow knob counterclockwise, and what it does is it makes the jack lower itself so it's not pressured against the top there and the jack becomes smaller, and once you got it short enough you can pull it out really easy. Now if you notice on the bottom there's some holes on the bottom of the base of the jack stand. After you're done changing out your spare tire and you're putting your toolkit away, those holes on the bottom of your jack stand are going to help you secure the jack stand in the tool compartment. When you're ready to put it back, look really closely here and you'll see 2 tabs where the red arrows are at. Now I know this is a little hard to see, so what I did is I got some scissors and a piece of paper and I cut out what you're supposed to see. If you look at the red arrows, you'll see 2 tabs. Those holes at the bottom of your base that I showed you go into these tabs, and locks it into place. Once you have your jack properly placed in the carriage, go ahead and jack your jack up by turning the yellow dial clockwise. What that will do is raise your jack. It'll push or pinch itself in position. It's properly in place and it won't vibrate. Now you can go ahead and put the rest of your tools in and screw it down with the big plastic knob. Go ahead and install and pop in your plastic tray and you're done. Okay, now you know where your spare tire toolkit is at and you know how to correctly remove it and put it back into place. Okay, now you're done with video number 1. Don't forget to watch the other 4 videos. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.